afternoon everyone. Today I am going to tell about Python basics. So here we can see Python. Like first we have to know about the computer languages where we have the chance to communicate with computers and machines. We have to learn their languages. If we want to say instructions to the computer, we can't say in Hindi, Telugu or English because they are not they are machines. So to understand or to let the machine understand, we have to learn some programming languages. In that, Python is one of the most popular and powerful language. So here we can see that Guido and Rosa, who is the founder of Python, and he created Python in 1991. Why Python is useful and what is Python? Like if we want to develop some web development, software development and gaming sessions, we have to learn some basic languages. Like if we want to develop a video game, we have to know about the code, right? In that, Python is very useful because of its simple syntax. Like the code which we write in Python is very simple. Like if we compare it with Java and C language, where we have to, if we have taken example like a equals to 5, in C language we have to write it as a equals to 5 and semicolon. Like we have to assign the variable to the data type, and after that we have to use semicolon. In Python language we have we can directly assign the value to the variable. Like you don't need to waste our time like in other languages. And so because it is very readable, like if we are there will be no much difference. Like if we want to read the code, it will be look like we are reading in English. So it is very simple language that readable and platform independent. Like you can copy the code from one operating system to another operating system and it will work till the end. And it is also for prototyping. Like we can use multiple programming codes, whatever it is, Python supports. So it is very useful and powerful and simple language. So thank you.